Welcome back to Amazing Smart Channel. Today, I'm going to share a super practical tip for anyone using cordless drills. How to revive a dead drill battery using 9V batteries. This method is simple, doable at home, and doesn't require any specialized equipment, just a bit of care and creativity. Step 1. Check the drill battery status. I have a drill battery that hasn't been used for a while. When I insert it into the drill, nothing happens. I tried plugging it into the charger, but the indicator light didn't turn on. No signs of charging. This means the battery is completely dead, likely due to the internal protection circuit cutting off power, preventing the charger from initiating the charging process. This issue is common with lithium-ion batteries that have been left unused for a long time or discharged too deeply. Fortunately, there's a way to wake it up by jump-starting it with a small current from 9V batteries. Step 2. Prepare the batteries and tools. I found 4 9V square batteries in my toolbox. Here's how I'll use them. 2 9V batteries will serve as the power source for jump starting. 2 other 9V batteries will be dismantled to extract their metal contact terminals, which make it easier to connect wires securely, in addition to the batteries. I gathered 3 short electrical wires, about 10-15 centimeters each, wire cutters, soldering iron, and some solder electrical tape for insulation. Step 3. Extract terminals and build the jumpstart cable first. I used pliers to remove the contact terminals from 2 old 9V batteries. These are the small metal connectors at the top of the battery. 1 small positive and 1 large negative. Once removed, I soldered wires to them as follows. One wire connects the two 9V batteries in series, creating an 18V power source. Two other wires are soldered to the contact terminals and will be used to touch the positive and negative terminals of the drill battery. Important, make sure to identify the correct polarity on the drill battery, usually marked with plus and F symbols. Reversing polarity can damage the battery. Step 4. Jump-start the drill battery with everything set up. I touched the two wires from the 9V battery source to the corresponding terminals on the drill battery. Key points. Ensure firm contact, no loose connections. Hold for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. You may notice a blinking light or a faint sound. These are good signs that the internal circuit is reactivating. The goal here is to send a small current to the battery's protection circuit, allowing it to resume normal charging behavior. Step 5. Test with the charger after jump starting. I plugged the drill battery back into its charger. And guess what? The indicator light turned on. That means the battery is now accepting charge again. Success! I let it charge for about 15-20 minutes, then removed it and checked the voltage with a multimeter. The reading confirmed that the battery was no longer dead. It had regained power. Step 6. Test the drill. Finally, I inserted the battery into the drill and ran a quick test. The drill worked perfectly. no interruptions or weak power. This proves that the jump start method using two 9V batteries was effective. Keep in mind, this is a temporary fix to reactivate the protection circuit. Once revived, you should fully charge the battery and use it regularly to prevent future deep discharge. Important safety notes: don't jump start for too long or use excessive voltage. It may damage the battery or cause overheating. Only use this method for lithium-ion batteries with protection circuits. If the battery is swollen, leaking, or physically damaged, do not attempt to revive it. Replace it for safety. If you're unsure about the process, ask someone experienced to help. Thanks for watching. I hope this tip helps you save money and make use of batteries that seem dead. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Amazing Smart so you won't miss out on more tech tips and DIY fixes. See you in the next video. Goodbye and take care.